Hi dear beautiful ladies, how are you all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so you all are fine and good, enjoying the good conditions of your health. So dear ladies, today I am back again with another very stylish and stunning collection of crochet made crop top designs and shirt designs. So in this video you will be find out more than 60 plus design ideas of shirt styles and crop top designs for your summer seasons with crochet made styles. So if you love to wear crochet style dresses, if you love to wear crochet made shirt designs, if you love to wear jacket styles, crop top designs with crochet made, so this video is really going to be helpful for you, very useful for you. So must watch video till the end and don't skip any idea, don't skip any design. I hope so you will enjoy this video. You will love these designs of crochet made top designs, shirt designs and crop top styles. So dear ladies and girls, if you are loving these designs, if you are loving these styles of crochet made jackets and crop top style designs, so please dear ladies and girls, do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives, and do like my video. Share my video with your friends and relatives so that new people get new ideas and new designs of dresses and top shirts designs, crop top designs of crochet mates. And if you are new on my channel, so please do also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. So after getting the notifications of my videos, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any design on my channel. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you on daily basis, so don't forget to tell me in the comment section how was this video, how was these designs of crochet made shirt designs, jacket designs and crop top design ideas for ladies and girls, or which type of more videos you want to watch on my channel, or which type of more videos will be useful for you, helpful for you. Tell me in the comment section. I really try my best to make my videos according to your opinions, so must share your opinions in the comment section for more amazing ideas. Please do visit on my channel for more amazing ideas. I have already uploaded a huge collection of crochet made dresses on my channel, so do visit on my channel and check the other collection. I hope so those videos will also be useful for you, very helpful for you, and you will get new ideas and new designs of dresses and top shirt designs, blouse designs. So must visit channel and check other collection. I am very thankful to you for your kind appreciation on my previous videos. Thank you so much for your kind support and thank you so much for your positive feedback on my channel. So please keep supporting me, keep sharing my video and keep visiting on my channel for more amazing ideas, for more designs and for more collection of dresses. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas, for more designs, and don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear ladies and girls, till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and design for you. So till then, take good care of yourselves and goodbye.